Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install HP Laser 107A printer driver in a Windows 11 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. Before go to the video, if you not subscribe the channel, then subscribe the channel and also click on the bell icon. So let's go to our video. First, we download our driver. That is very easy. Go to the any web browser. I'm going to the Google Chrome. Here type in search, type HP Laser 107A printer driver and hit enter key. First link is from the support.hp.com official website of the HP printer. Open the first link. First link is open. Here is the official website of the HP, and here we find our printer name HP Laser 107A, and here we find the operating system. And if your operating system is not right or bit is not right, then go to choose a different OS and click on the Windows. In a version, select Windows 11. We are using Windows 11 and it is always 64-bit. Click on the update. After that, scroll down. Here we find driver product installation software. If it is not expand, then expand it. And here we find HP LaserJet and mini printer name. It is a series printer. Full solution drive software and driver. You can download this or go to their basic drivers, and from basic drivers you can download from these two. Click on any driver that you want. I click on the first driver, software and drivers, and click on the download button. It's redirect to the another page and download is started at the top. Click it here. Our download is started and it's take few seconds. So be patient. After that, download completed. Go to the downloads. Click on show in a folder. Minimize it. Drag this setup file to desktop. Close it. Here is our setup file, and this setup file is actually zip file. We can unzip this zip file or extract this zip file. Right click on it, show more options, click on extract files, click on OK. It's extract our files and create a new folder on a desktop. Double click on it, and in a printer, it is a printer software list or the installation software list. Go to the here printer. In a printer, here we find SPL. In a SPL, we find our printer drivers, and we are going to install this printer driver manually. That is very simple. Close it, and we are going to install it. Go to the start and type printers and scanners. Click on the printers and scanners. In a printers and scanner, at the top we find add a printer or scanner. Click on add a device. Click on add a device. Wait for a few seconds. New option is pop off in a few seconds. Wait for a few seconds. The printer that I want isn't listed. Click on the add a manually. Close it. Close this. Here we find many options in add a printer. Go to the last option, add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Select that last option. Click on the next. Existing port is the most IMP part in this installation. Click at here. And if you find .4_001 HP printer device, HP printer, anything about HP, then select that port. If you not find any HP port, the next option is USB. Select any USB that you want, USB 001, USB 002, USB 003, USB 004. Select any USB that you want. Click on the next. Click on the hard disk. Go to the browse. Go to the desktop. Find our folder. Find our folder. Find our folder, newly created folder. Double click on our folder. Click on the printer. Click on the printer. In a printer, we find SPL. Double click on SPL. In a SPL, we find two files. These two files are drivers file. Click on any file that you want. Both have the same drivers. Click on any file that you want. Click on the open. Click on the OK. And here we find HP Laser 103, 107, 108. It is a series printer. In this series, our printer name 107A is also included. Click at here and click on the next. Here you can give any name that you want. I give the 107A. You can give any printer name that you like and click on the next. It's installing our printer and it's take few seconds. So be patient. Our printer is now installed. If you want to share this printer on network, then last option. If you do not share or do not want to share, then click on do not share this printer. Click on the next. If you want to print a test page, then click on a print a test page or click on a finish. Next step is check our printer is properly installed or not. Go to start and type printers and scanners. Click on the printers and scanners. In a printer list, if you find your printer name HP Laser 107A, That means your printer is properly installed and it's work 110% on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.